Gold's looking bullish at the moment. Price looking like it's starting to try to reverse up. We talked about this green zone last night on the live stream, and we talked about this area down here. That green zone, a market structure shift up. I'm still holding. From Friday. Yeah, I know. This is a trade I just took though. They got 2870. Better entry than me. We got 2870, 2871. But yeah, I'm still holding from Friday. This setup. I gave it a setup in Discord. Guys, write in the chat if you're in profit. Come on. I just called that out live. 15-minute looks good right now. We entered it like 10 minutes ago. We already had a reaction. Let me see your guys' entries. 69, yeah, 2869, that's a good entry. 2865, oh, you got in before the session. Then some of you guys would have been, yeah, 70, 69, 71, 70. Yeah, I got some 71s. Big partials at 75. Maybe we can hold till 80. 78, 79, 80. So I would take some partials. I'll close like two. I'm gonna close just quick little pip. I'm still holding swings from Friday. But a lot of you guys, some of you guys got that 69. That's my favorite number. 68, you got the bottom. 69, yeah, good job. Good job, folks. I'm in my boxers right now. Look at this. These aren't pip and dips. These are not pip and dips. These are like holding since Friday. This right here though, we just took this entry right here. I just closed 2 entries too. We just took these. Pip and dip. Who's in profit? Type in the chat if you're in profit. Type pip and dip or money bag, something in the chat. Dollar's dumping right now. Gold isn't seeing that much impact to that, but if dollar keeps dropping, that could be better for gold. Alrighty, just finished the live stream in my boxers. About to go train. Are we? No, it's tonight. Gonna train tonight.
I'm about to go back to sleep.
I'm about to go back to sleep for a bit. We caught buys this morning, still holding those entries. Closed some partials when it hit 75 and still have one of the entries. Gonna see if we can, you know, hold this one for like maybe an hour. But we just finished the live stream. 517 views. It was a quick one today, quicker than usual actually here for the morning. And people were in profit. We have some pip and dips, people in profit today. Let's check out the Discord. Let's see if anybody caught these trades. Yeah, Discord's looking fired up right now. Guys, people always ask me, why do I live in a hotel? I don't have to leave the place.
Who's that creeping through my window? Before you come outside, I got the info.
We're in profits on Monday morning. We caught some trades. Well, not trades. One trade this morning on gold. We're looking at this break and retest here. Gold's bullish right now. I was talking about it this morning on my stream. There was a nice market structure shift here that we can see happened. And buyers are more in control. I'm going to do a trade recap on this because we also talked about a trade from last Friday as well that I'm still holding. Some people are still even holding this trade as well. I'm going to show you guys in the Discord. But today, live on stream, we called out buys. We caught buys on gold. Monday morning, you can see people are in profit. I'm a little tired right now. I look like a mess. 2-3 hours of sleep in the last day. But see you guys, today was a good day. We still have people holding those swings from Friday, but this guy's up $6,000, well, $7,000 pretty much today on the day. This was the trade right here. 2870, called that live. Nice clean move. If you were tapped in this morning, you should have caught the trade with me. You can see there's people in the Discord that caught the trade as well. We were live on YouTube. It was a good trade. Make sure you guys tap in on YouTube. Plug in on the YouTube streams. I'm gonna do a breakdown of these trades and the setups that we caught and the one even from Friday. If you guys are in my Discord, Friday I dropped some analysis and I talked about it on stream. Friday reversals, if you know, you know. So tap into the streams. New York session, I call out trades if I see any good opportunities, just like we did today. We're just starting the week off. Inner Circle just started and we already have some great testimonials. If you guys have plugged in my YouTubes and if you guys are in the Inner Circle, there's lots to learn. I haven't even got all the videos out yet for the Inner Circle, but I was reading a pretty good testimonial today from one of our group members inside the Inner Circle, and I want to share it with you guys here. I'm going to pop it up on the screen as well, but I'm going to read it real quick. It was like watching a movie real quick. Like I read this and it was like watching a sad movie when a part comes up and you're like, ooh, try to hold the tears back, like the Lion King or some shit, you know? Lion King, that one gets me every time. I don't know what it is. So Carrie Ann here, I get testimonials, guys, every single day. I get 20 of these a day. They're special to me. They make me feel good. I love making people money. I like helping people out. It's what I enjoy doing. I have a passion for it, but this testimonial I think is a bit different, and you guys are gonna see why. Carrie Ann said she's grateful. So happy and grateful today, thanks to Evan and his tremendous teaching. I have today paid off all of my medical bills and I'm up to date. My cancer is ongoing, but because of trading and the amazing mentor we have, I can even do it on my bad days in my pajamas. Kind of like me. I'm in my pajamas right now, so I can relate. This is pretty impactful because she said, this is a massive relief for me and my family. Life is for living, guys. Grab it with both hands and do not let go. Thank you for Evan and your knowledge, support, and enthusiasm. It's such an inspiration. Nothing is impossible, guys, with the right mentorship and community behind you. You guys can read it. We'll pop it up here on the screen. Pretty impactful testimony. Like I said, I get like 20 of these a day. People tagging me and stuff. I can tell from just like kind of knowing Carrie Ann here, she's a lot older than me. Like she has a family. I'm 28 years old. Look at how I'm living, right? So it's definitely different seeing something like this. It inspires me to go harder on this and just put more time into this. Is great to see. So like I said, it's a pretty impactful testimonial because I get tagged in these types of things every single day. After every session I do, even when I don't do a session, people are tagging me in these every single day because of the information I teach. You can see here, we're gonna pop them up on the screen here. Every single day, I'm getting tagged in these, and in the Discord and even my SKool community, people are dropping these testimonials. I'm gonna show you guys a few here in this video that we received most recently. Guys, we started the Inner Circle community just last week for March. We already have the schedule set. We have 164 members already. We're gonna be stopping at 200 to keep the schedule maintained month by month. It's a private community with private information. All these testimonials that you're seeing me post come from the information inside of my Inner Circle, where I'm gonna be streaming every single day. That includes the weekends as well. So if you're interested, now's the time to tap in with me. For those of you guys that are really into cryptocurrency as well, you already know the bull run is here. You saw the recent news with Donald Trump and the US Strategic Crypto Reserve that is coming, right? So I'm gonna be sharing a lot of valuable insights, not just for gold, but for crypto as well, AKA the cryptocurrencies that I'm focusing on and buying for this bull run. So if you want to tap in, now is the time to get locked in because we only have limited spots available. Day 11 of 60. From 6 packs of Coronas to fucking, you'll see in 60 days. This guy, man, comes, you know, he lives in Italy, has to get these cinnamon rolls. Like, I haven't ate these my whole life. Yeah, that shit smells like fucking.
Yeah.
I could just smell it, and that's enough for me. Honestly, you want it?
Come on.
Like, honestly, you know I'm on the 60-day run. I think the chat would be fucking disappointed if I ate this cinnamon roll.
I ordered 2 of them, one for you and one for me.
I'm gonna warm it up. You gotta warm it up. So like the trick is you gotta warm it up for like 12 seconds or like 15 seconds.